Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. If you are new here, my name is Nadia. Hi. Before I get started, let's jump into the first thing that you guys are going to ask, which is my necklace. This is J. Crew. I told you guys in a previous video that I will start, wearing some of my jewelry pieces just so you guys can see it and stuff like that. So this is J. Crew and my top is from Forever 21. It is a top. I ain't got on no bottoms, but this is the top and it was $5 in their clearance. I always like to look at Forever 21's clearance first, any store, and then I kind of shop around and see what they have because I really find some amazing pieces in the clearance area. But that is pretty much it. So pretty much the video that you guys seen before, if you didn't, just go watch it. That way you can understand what this video is going to be about. So the last video you guys saw, I actually had a client and then my friend. What I ended up doing is helping them select their final finishes for their new builds. My client, she did not want to share her selections, and I think she felt like because she didn't do any upgrades, like she didn't want to share it, but I still think the selections were really nice nevertheless. So now that I've kind of gone through that process, I feel like now that I'm looking at like new builds and like new constructions and just homes in general, now I'm like, okay, I can actually figure out the builders' pricings. That way I can, I still think they're overcharging, but whatever. But today's video and the next couple of videos are going to be house tours. If you guys are interested, I am going to leave Brenda, which is the realtor. I'm going to be leaving her information down below. She is a friend, so she didn't have an issue to kind of show me around the properties and stuff. I know some of you guys have been interested in some of the properties, so if you're interested, I would just tell you to reach out to her. I'm going to leave her Instagram handle and also her email. That way, if you guys need something, you can reach out to her. So today's house is $675. It's a nice house, I think I'm going to do the title like YouTube creators, because I feel like for the price it's a little much. But I can see how if someone wanted to like have a really nice space via YouTube, they would probably want it, because the other houses in my opinion are like really cookie cutter, and I feel like now there's a younger generation buying homes now and they're looking for that glitz and glam and all the extra marble and all that stuff like that, and that property did offer it. So through the new builds, like a marble is like level 6 upgrade. It's pretty much like the last level with any builder as an upgrade, unless you're doing like a custom. I still feel like the prices were outrageous for what they were charging, and certain things I would wait till the very end. But anyway, I'll say this for a whole nother video. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into that property, that way you guys can see it. And if you have any questions, design questions, feel free to just leave them down below, and then once everything is done, I'll come back and do like a synopsis of everything for you guys. But we're going to go ahead and just jump into this house tour. Alright you guys, so I'm currently standing in the front door of the entryway. To the right is just an open room, and then if I walk up a little bit, there you have a coat closet and also the door leading to the garage, and of course the stairs. To the left side you have a bedroom and then a full bathroom with a closet and then a stand-in shower. There's no tub in this space, but I really like it. The layout was really great, super convenient. Once I made my way up the stairs is when I landed into the kitchen, which was really nice. Keep in mind, this is a townhome. I love the white cabinetry and also the gray island. This is going to be an upgrade also. And then the back wall was marble. You really can't see it, but I got a little bit closer, but it has marble going all the way up the wall. I even got into the cabin to show you that I don't think it's 100% wood just by the make of the inside of it. The door is, but the body of it isn't. As you leave into the kitchen, you are in the great room. And you guys, this is why I say I think this would probably be a YouTuber's dream, just because the lighting, not my dream. I really love the large windows. Not only that, I love the fireplace. The fireplace also had marble all around it. I thought the facing could be done a bit more modern contemporary, but that's just me. but the entire space I thought was just really nice. Once you go up the stairs, you have a spare bedroom with another full bath, which I really liked also. And then the shower is full tile, which is an upgrade. Sorry about the light, you guys. The mirror didn't have any trim or framing around it, which I thought was kind of off, but hey, really nice closet. I think it was large enough and suitable for anyone. I turned back around so I could cut the lights off, you guys, because the lights were off. I didn't go into that small door, but it is a laundry. I pretty much wanted to see the master bedroom. And the master bedroom was actually really nice. Keep in mind, again, this is a townhome, so it's not going to be as large as a house. And then the bathroom, I really liked that a whole lot. It had 2 vanities, which I thought was really great. The countertops, again, was marble, the gray, which is really popular, and I would consider it to be trendy, but I think it's a trend that's going to stay for sure. You have a large closet, no tub, and then a stand-in shower. I've been seeing just the shower alone in the master a lot, even in home, so this might be something that's going on. People are just going to next the whole tub and just have a large shower. I really liked this townhome a lot. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy seeing the house tour. That's pretty much it. It is a townhome, and like I said, there's 1, 2, 3 levels. I thought the master bedroom was a decent size, but it's a townhome, so you can't expect it to be like super grand unless they use the entire top level to be the master. Then you would have had like a really nice space, but everything was upstairs: washer, dryer, master, plus another bedroom. And then the middle level was simply the living and also the kitchen. The reason why I said in the beginning this would be a home where I would say this would be great for, you know, like for a content creator is because for me personally, I don't really like nobody coming into my house. And I know now, you know, we're just in the, you know, doing collabs, and sometimes you don't even know these people that you're letting into your home. And if you are going to let someone into your home, I feel like the lower level should be your recording space. That way no one makes it to the 2nd and 3rd level of your home. But that's just me though, you know, that's just me. I do feel like the windows were really large and grand, and they went up pretty much to the ceiling, so you would get really great natural lighting in there. And the house was just a really nice house, and it is located in downtown Atlanta. I thought it was really beautiful. When it comes to the finishes, just me using the homes locally here, I can tell you that they did like level 3, level 4 cabinetry, even though it's not wood. So anyway, another video. There was marble in the fireplace, there was marble upstairs, there was marble in the bathroom, just pretty much marble everywhere, which I know is like level 6 or level 7 depending on the builder. That house, from what the realtor said, had all the upgrades, all the trim, you know, the island being had cabinet doors on either side, front to back, just everything. So I don't even want to see if you were like, oh, can I just do 600 what that looks like, because 70,000 in upgrades may seem like a lot, but it could just be the sinks, it could just be the range hood, it could just be the marbling and stuff. So you'll be missing out a whole lot. And I've seen a house, the same exact house, fully jacked up with upgrades, and then I've seen the other one, which is considered, I guess, like the family series, which is just basic bare minimum, and it's night and day. You feel like you're in a totally different house just because it's not as luxe. So this was really a nice house. But anyway, I should say townhome. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys here. If you are not already, definitely feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. So bye.